from a lift moving upwards with a uniform acceleration a man throws a ball vertically upwards with a velocity v related to the lift. The balls come back to the man after t time so that a plus g is equal to 2v t upon t. So imagine a lift which is moving with acceleration a, and a man throws a ball with a velocity v, and after t time the balls return back to man after t time. So we have to prove a plus g is equal to 2v upon t. To solve this question, we need to consider motion of the ball into two frames of reference. First, the lift reference. The man observed the ball moving upwards and downwards related to the lift. Second, the ground reference. An observer on the ground sees both lift and the ball moving. Let's break down it step by step. The ball initially upwards with velocity related to the lift is v. U is our v, and the ball experiences effective downwards acceleration of g plus a because the lift is moving upwards and the g pulling it downwards. So the effective acceleration is equal to a plus g. The time taken to reach the ball at the highest point and the come back to man hand is t. The time is t. From using the equation of motion, we can use the equation of motion for the constant acceleration. S is equal to ut plus half at square. The displacement in the lift's frame, the displacement s is 0 because ball returns to its starting point. The acceleration a is minus g plus a because acceleration g is working downwards. Substituting the values into the equation, we know this s is equal to 0, u is our v, and t plus half minus g minus a into t square. After simplifying this equation, we get 0 is equal to 2v minus g a into t. After solving it further, a plus g is equal to 2v upon t. Hence, it's proved. We have successfully derived the equation a plus g is equal to 2v upon t. This equation tells that the sum of the lift's acceleration and the gravitational acceleration is equal to twice of the ball initial velocity related to the lift divided by time of flight. Thank you for watching.